To save power, the watch will be defaulted ship mode. Please press and hold S1 and S3 together for 2 seconds to activate the watch. In the normal time mode, press S1 repeatedly to switch the displays among. In the normal time mode, short press the button S4 to activate the EL backlight for 5 seconds. In the normal time mode, press S1 twice will be in historical steps. Hold S2 will allow you to toggle between steps and time display. Hold S1 for 5 seconds will initiate tie clearing process, and all the data will be reset. In the normal time mode, press S3 once will be in stopwatch mode. Press S1 to start or stop. Press S2 to reset to 0. In the normal time mode, press S3 twice will be in countdown mode. Press S1 to start or stop. Press S2 to reset to 0. Hold S4 for 2 seconds into countdown length setting. Press S1 or S2 to set the value. Short press S3 repeatedly to choose the item. Short press S4 once to exit the setting. In the normal time mode, press S3 3 times will be in alarm mode. Press S1 to set on or off the alarm function. Hold S4 for 2 seconds into alarm time setting. Press S1 or S2 to set the value. Press S3 to choose hour or minute. Short press S4 once to exit the setting. In the normal time mode, press S3 4 times will be in hourly chime mode. Press S1 to set on or off the hourly chime function. In the normal time mode, press and hold S4 for 2 seconds to enter setting. Now the 12/24 her starts blinking. Press S1 to set the value. In the normal time mode, hold S4 to enter time setting. Press S3, choose the term that you want to set in sequence. While the term is flashing, press S1 or S2 to change the value. Press S1 or S2 to set the unit. Short press S4 once to exit the setting.